Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about computer arithmetic addition and subtraction operation basically. Uh, as we know that there are the three way of representing negative fixed point binary number: signed magnitude, signed ones complement, or signed twos complement. Okay, so in very first, let's start with addition and subtraction with signed magnitude data. Uh, the signed magnitude data, we are all familiar with this representation because it is used in everyday arithmetic calculation. The procedure for adding or subtraction in subtracting two signed binary number with pen and paper is simple. And okay, and we just go through these procedure basically. So we designate the magnitude of two number by a and b. When signed numbers are added or subtracted, we find that there are 8 different conditions to consider depending on the sign of the number and the operation performed. So these conditions are listed in first column in that particular table. Okay, the other column in the table show the actual operation to be performed with the magnitude of the number. The last column is needed to prevent a negative zero. In other words, when two equal numbers are subtracted, the result should be plus zero, not minus zero. So algorithm for addition and subtraction are derived by using this table. So addition algorithm, when if we want to elaborate this algorithm, addition algorithm, when the sign of a and b are identical, add the two magnitude and attach the sign of a to the result. When the sign of a and b are different, compare the magnitude and subtract the smaller number from the larger. Choose the sign of the result to be same as a if a greater than b, or complement of sign of a if a less than b. So if two magnitudes are equal, subtract b from a and make the sign of the result positive. The two algorithms are similar except for sign comparison. Okay, so and the below it is showing the hardware implementation, the block diagram of hardware implementation for implementing the addition and subtraction operation. This consists basically register A and register B and sign flip-flop AS and BS. Okay, these are the flip-flop. Subtraction is done by adding A to the 2's complement of B. The output carry is transferred to flip-flop E, where it can be checked to determine relative magnitude of two numbers. The add overflow flip-flop AVF hold the overflow bit when A and B are added. The A register provide other micro operations that may be needed when we specify sequence of steps in the algorithm. Parallel adder, the addition of A plus B is done through parallel adder. The sum output of adder is applied to the input of A register. The complementer provide an output of B or the complement of B depending on the state of the mode control M. The complementer consists of exclusive OR gate and the parallel adder consists of full adder circuit. Okay. The AM signal is also applied to input carry of the adder. When AM is equals to 0, the output of B is transferred to the adder. The input carry is 0 and the output of the adder is equal to the sum A plus B. When M equals to 1, the ones complement of B is applied to the adder. The input carry is 1 and the output is S is equals to A plus B bar plus 1. This is equals to A plus, as we know that 2's complement of B, which is equivalent to the subtraction of A minus B. Okay. In the next slide, we'll see the signed addition and subtraction with signed 2's complement data. The signed 2's complement representation of number together with arithmetic algorithm for addition and subtraction are shown in that particular slide. They are summarized here. The leftmost bit and the hardware, basically represented by using the. Here we can see that there are some The leftmost list of binary number represent the sign bit 0 for positive and 1 for negative. Okay, when two number of n digits each are added and the sum occupy n plus 1 digit, we say that this one is the overflow occur. Okay, the effect of an overflow on the sum of two signed 2's complement number is this, we have already discussed. An overflow can be detected by inspecting the last two carries out of the addition. When the two carries are applied to an exclusive OR gate, the overflow is detected when output of the gate is equals to 1. Okay, the hardware implementation is shown in of this configuration in here. Okay, we designate A register AC accumulator and B register BR. The leftmost bit in the AC and BR represent the sign bit of the number. The two sign bits are added or subtracted together with the other bits in the complementer and parallel adder. The overflow flip-flop V is set to 1 if there is an overflow. The output carry in this case is discarded. Okay, and the basically the below diagram show the flowchart of 2's complement representation. The sum is obtained by adding the content of AC and BR. The overflow bit V is set to 1 if the exclusive OR of the last two carries 1 and it's clear to 0 otherwise. And the subtraction operation is not complete by adding the content of AC to 2's complement of BR. Taking the 2's complement BR has effect of changing the positive number to negative and vice versa. And overflow must be checked during this operation because the two numbers added could have the same sign. Okay, so I think this one is the these two are the algorithms or addition and subtraction. That's all over. Thanks to watch.